Hi, my name is Chance. I am a tire tech trainer and I have been at Belle Tire for 4 years now. So come on with me and see what my day is going to be like. The first thing I do when I get to work is say hi to my coworkers. A normal work day for me is from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. In order to be safe at work, we're required to wear steel-toed shoes and safety glasses at all times. As a tire tech, our daily job consists of mounting and balancing tires, flat repairs, and rotations. One of the things we practice daily is called wrist. First, we start off by removing the debris on the wheel, inspecting the components, snugging up the lugs, and then torquing to specification. Being a tire tech isn't always easy. It comes with many challenges. The job is very labor intensive, and it can change throughout the summers where it gets very hot, and in the winter when it gets really cold. Some of my favorite things about the job is that I come to work and I get to learn new things every day. Another thing I like about Belle Tire is the fact that I get to work with my friends. And lastly, I love the sense of accomplishment when I help others in need. What I look forward to in my future with Belle Tire is the future advancements I see. Currently a tire tech trainer and becoming a salesman soon. I'm glad to see myself advancing, and I look forward to the opportunities of me not only helping customers in the future, but helping the company progress as well. And maybe, perhaps one day, run my own store.